Let's discuss 5 common dog training mistakes and how to fix them. Number 1, not enough training. Training your dog or puppy isn't about a one-time training session that lasts an hour once a week. It's a series of short and consistent repetitions of a small behaviour. Make it a crystal clear picture for your dog. Decide what the everyday living rules are and ensure that all members of the household stick to them. Yeah, I know, that can often be more difficult than training your dog or puppy. For example, sit politely for pats, attention of any kind, for food, or to play a game. Toilet training is another example. Regular and frequent visits outside for consistent toileting habits. That's training. When your dog is playing and running around and you calm them, that's training. When you call your dog's name and they respond and come to you, that's training. It's all the consistent small movements that help make up the complete behaviours. A few minutes every day around the simple task you carry out. Write a list and discuss with all the members of the household. Manners around doorways and food are often the biggest pain points, so are a great place to start. Part 2, coming soon. Happy training!